Warm greetings to all travel enthusiasts from Alhammadtravelsandtourism. Today, we're exploring the magnificent city of Frankfurt, Germany. Nestled at the heart of Europe, Frankfurt is a pulsating metropolis, a city that never sleeps. This dynamic city is a fascinating blend of the old and the new, where towering skyscrapers coexist with quaint half-timbered houses, creating a unique skyline that's a sight to behold. Frankfurt, fondly known as Manhattan, is not just a hub of finance and trade, but also a haven for art, culture, and gastronomy. As the home of the European Central Bank and the German Stock Exchange, it's a city that carries significant weight in the world of global finance. Yet, beneath its cosmopolitan veneer, Frankfurt maintains a deep-rooted connection to its traditional past. So tighten your seatbelts as we embark on this exciting journey through Frankfurt. Frankfurt, often referred to as Manhattan, is a global hub for commerce, culture, education, tourism, and transportation. This vibrant city is nestled on the banks of the Main River in the heart of Germany, and it is much more than just a transit point. One of the most striking features of Frankfurt is its impressive skyline. A forest of skyscrapers stretches towards the heavens, a sight that is quite unique in a country famed for its historical architecture. This skyline is not just a feast for the eyes, but it is a testament to Frankfurt's position as a financial powerhouse. The city is home to the European Central Bank, a key player in the global economy. The bank's towering headquarters, a symbol of its role in shaping monetary policy, stands proudly among the skyscrapers. Here, decisions are made that influence the economic health of countries across Europe and beyond. Adding to Frankfurt's significance in the financial world is the Frankfurt Stock Exchange, one of the world's largest trading centers for securities. With an average turnover of more than €1 trillion annually, it is a vital part of the city's financial muscle. But Frankfurt's financial prowess does not overshadow its cultural richness. The city is a melting pot of traditions and modernity, where centuries-old buildings sit side by side with gleaming office towers. It's a place where finance professionals and artists alike find their place, contributing to the city's dynamic and diverse character. The nickname Manhattan is a playful nod to New York's Manhattan, drawing parallels between the two cities' skylines and their prominence in the financial world. Yet Frankfurt retains its unique German charm, harmoniously blending the old with the new. Indeed, Frankfurt is a place where tradition meets modernity and finance meets culture. It's a city that invites you to explore its financial heart, while also enticing you to discover its rich history and vibrant lifestyle. Whether you're a business traveler or a history enthusiast, Frankfurt's Manhattan has something to offer everyone. Beyond the skyscrapers, Frankfurt is a treasure trove of cultural richness. This city, nestled on the banks of the River Main, has a history that stretches back over a millennium, and its cultural tapestry is as vibrant as it is diverse. Let's start with the Roma, the city's town hall. This iconic structure, with its distinctive stepped gable facade, has been the heart of Frankfurt's political life for over 6 centuries. It's more than just a building. It's a symbol of the city's resilience and endurance. A stone's throw away, you'll find St. Bartholomew's Cathedral, a majestic red sandstone structure that towers above the cityscape. Its Gothic architecture is a testament to the city's medieval past. But the cathedral is more than just a relic. It's a living piece of history that continues to play a vital role in the city's cultural life. Then there's the Goethe House, the birthplace of Johann Wolfgang von Goethe, arguably Germany's greatest literary figure. The house, meticulously restored to its original condition, offers a fascinating glimpse into the life and times of this literary titan. But Frankfurt's cultural richness doesn't stop at its historical landmarks. The city is home to a vibrant arts scene with an abundance of museums and galleries. The Stadel Museum, for instance, houses an impressive collection of art spanning 700 years of European history. From medieval masterpieces to contemporary works, it's a veritable feast for the eyes. And let's not forget the Museum for Modern Art, a must-visit for any art lover. Its striking postmodern architecture is a visual treat in itself, and inside you'll find an extensive collection of modern and contemporary art that's sure to challenge and inspire. Whether you're an art enthusiast or a history buff, Frankfurt has something to offer. Its rich cultural tapestry, woven from threads of history, art, and tradition, is a testament to the city's enduring spirit. So take a moment to step off the beaten path and immerse yourself in the cultural richness that is Frankfurt. Now, let's take a detour to explore Frankfurt's culinary scene. In the heart of Germany, Frankfurt serves up a feast for the senses, a city brimming with culinary delights that mirror its rich history and cultural diversity. The city's gastronomic landscape is an eclectic mix, but let's not rush into the myriad of international flavors just yet. Instead, let's start with the traditional. Imagine biting into a Frankfurter sausage, a culinary symbol of the city. Smoky, juicy, and packed full of flavor, these sausages have a distinct taste that sets them apart from others. They're typically served in a bun with mustard and a side of sauerkraut, a fermented cabbage that's a staple in German cuisine. Now, let's wash that down with a glass of apple wine, another Frankfurt specialty. This tart, tangy beverage is an integral part of the city's food culture and is often enjoyed in traditional apple wine taverns, where the locals gather for a chat and a hearty meal. Then there's the green sauce, a refreshing concoction of 7 different herbs, sour cream, and yogurt. It's a versatile sauce that pairs perfectly with boiled eggs and potatoes, making for a light and satisfying meal. But Frankfurt's culinary scene isn't just about its traditional dishes. The city is also home to bustling food markets. Chief among them is Kleinmarkthalle. This indoor market is a food lover's paradise, offering a cornucopia of fresh produce, cheeses, meats, and breads. It's also the perfect place to sample a variety of local and international delicacies, from handcrafted chocolates to exotic spices. Whether you're a fan of traditional German fare or eager to explore global cuisines, Frankfurt is a city that caters to all tastes. Its food scene is a testament to the city's cultural diversity, a melting pot of flavors that's as vibrant and dynamic as the city itself. Frankfurt's culinary scene is sure to tantalize your taste buds and leave you craving for more. Contrary to its urban image, Frankfurt is also known as the Green City. Now you might be thinking, Green City? But isn't Frankfurt all skyscrapers and bustling business districts? Well, yes and no. Frankfurt is indeed a bustling metropolis. But it also has a greener side, one that's deeply committed to sustainability and preserving natural spaces. Imagine stepping out of towering glass structures and into the lush, tranquil environment of the Palmengarten. Spanning over 50 acres, this botanical garden is home to an array of exotic plants from all corners of the globe. The garden's glass houses, with their tropical and subtropical plants, offer a vibrant contrast to the city's concrete jungle. It's a place where the hustle and bustle of city life melt away, replaced by the soothing rustle of leaves and the soft whispers of nature. But the Palmengarten is just one example. Frankfurt's dedication to green spaces doesn't end there. The city is home to the largest inner-city forest in Germany, the Frankfurt City Forest. Covering more than 4,800 hectares, this forest is a testament to Frankfurt's commitment to balancing urbanization with nature. Here, locals and tourists alike can enjoy leisurely walks, bike rides, or simply bask in the serenity that nature offers. Frankfurt's sustainability efforts go beyond just preserving these green spaces. The city is also a pioneer in renewable energy, with a goal of sourcing 50% of its energy from renewable sources by 2030. It's a bold statement, but one that Frankfurt is determined to achieve. So, you see, Frankfurt is more than just a financial hub. It's a city that understands the importance of green spaces and sustainability. It's a city that values the harmony between urban life and nature. It's a city that's green in more ways than one. Frankfurt proves that nature and urban life can coexist harmoniously. Frankfurt is a city that knows how to celebrate. It hosts numerous events and festivals throughout the year. Each one is a colorful spectacle, a showcase of the city's vibrant spirit and a testament to its love for arts and culture. Let's start with the Frankfurt Book Fair. This isn't just any book fair. It's the world's largest, a grand literary event that dates back more than 5 centuries. Every October, this event transforms Frankfurt into a global hub for all things literary. Publishers, writers, and book lovers from around the world flock to the city, making it a melting pot of ideas, stories, and cultures. Next on our list is the Frankfurt Christmas Market. Imagine a winter wonderland with the scent of mulled wine in the air, twinkling lights all around, and the sound of carols filling the air. That's the Frankfurt Christmas Market for you. One of the oldest and most beautiful of its kind, it's a magical experience that'll fill your heart with holiday cheer. And then there's the Museum Embankment Festival. Taking place every August, it's one of the largest cultural festivals in Europe. The city's iconic Museum Embankment transforms into a sprawling festival ground. Here, you can explore a diverse range of art, music, and performances, all while enjoying a spectacular view of the Frankfurt skyline. But that's not all. Frankfurt is home to a multitude of other events, from music festivals and film fests to sporting events and food festivals. Each one is a unique celebration, a chance to immerse yourself in the city's dynamic energy and experience the warmth and hospitality of its people. These events reflect the city's vibrant spirit and its love for arts and culture. So whether you're a bibliophile, a history buff, a foodie, or just someone looking for a memorable experience, Frankfurt's calendar of events and festivals has something for you. And remember, in Frankfurt, every celebration is an invitation to join in, to be a part of the city's lively rhythm, and to create memories that will last a lifetime. As we wind up our virtual tour of Frankfurt, let's recap the key points we've covered. Frankfurt is more than just the financial heart of Germany. It's a city that pulses with life and diversity. We've explored its role as the financial hub, home to the European Central Bank and countless other financial institutions, making it a key player in the global economy. The city's skyline, punctuated by towering skyscrapers, is a testament to its economic might, earning it the nickname Manhattan. But Frankfurt isn't all business. It's a city steeped in cultural richness, with a vibrant arts scene and a history that stretches back centuries. We've delved into its museums, galleries, and historic sites, each telling a unique story about the city's past and present. From ancient Roman ruins to cutting-edge contemporary art, Frankfurt is a treasure trove of cultural gems waiting to be discovered. The culinary delights of Frankfurt are as diverse as the city itself. We've sampled its gastronomic offerings, from traditional German fare like apple wine and green sauce to international cuisine from around the world. The city's bustling food markets, charming cafes, and gourmet restaurants are a food lover's paradise. We've also taken a breath of fresh air in Frankfurt's green spaces. The city is home to numerous parks and gardens, providing tranquil retreats amidst the urban hustle. The Palmengarten and the Grünebergpark are just a few examples of the city's commitment to preserving nature within its borders. Finally, we've partaken in the city's lively events and festivals. Whether it's the vibrant Christmas market, the thrilling book fair, or the colorful carnival, there's always something happening in Frankfurt. We hope you enjoyed this journey through Frankfurt. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. Until next time, happy travels!